They must find it difficult, those who have taken authority as truth rather than truth as authority. Now, this is going to be a tricky one kasi hindi ko rin gusto na isipin nyo na wag nyon bigyan ng weight yung payo ng mga doktor, ng mga authority, or ng kahit sinong professional na nagpakadalubhasa doon sa field nila. But what I am saying here is that you are free to question whatever they claim as long as your question has grounding or has basis. I'll give you an example. Si Dr. Farah, 'di ba? Well, she has that doctor in her name, although very questionable. Plus, yung sinasabi niya na gamot sa cancer, cabbage patch, or yung gamot sa cancer is yung vitamin C or magnesium, so on and so forth. So, yung ganong klaseng claims kasi needs to have an extraordinary evidence. Kasi that's going to be extraordinary claim. Ngayon, pwede mo itong questionin as part of being critical. You could start with asking different doctors if may weight or katotohanan yung sinabi niya. And the more you ask those other professionals in their field, the more you would have a bigger picture kung may katotohanan ba ang sinasabi ng isang professional. Kahit din naman when it comes to politics, you could question those thoughts or answers that everyone is giving, especially sa social media, but it should come from a place of grounding or with reason. Hindi pwedeng sasabihin nyo, bakit ganyan yung sagot mo? DDS ka siguro. That's not a proper question or a ground when it comes to questioning their argument. Our goal should not be just being dismissive of other people's idea just because they do not share ours. Our goal is to actually come closer to the truth by being critical or becoming a critical thinker. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.